Hi quilters, I'm Carla Klop from Kits by Carla. I want to show you a little tip today about squaring up your panels. We do a lot of quilts for people. We use a lot of the Northcott panels. They happen to be really beautiful, but all the fabric manufacturers make wonderful panels these days. I get a lot of comments from people who have trouble squaring up their panel and don't know how to add their coping strips. So just a quick little tip. Obviously you're going to take your panel, you're going to stretch it, you're going to steam it, you're going to get it as square as you can. And when all's said and done, you might still be out by quite some amount. So what I normally tell people to do is take their panel, fold it into 4. So now when I'm in 4, I know I'm straight on my 2 folded edges. Put that on a grid on your cutting mat and then trim the other side and trim the bottom. So you know you have a perfect rectangle. And then when you measure it, if you need to add some fabric to either side, top or bottom, you know how much to add to come up to the dimension that you want. Another thing, don't be afraid to cut your panels into strips. If you are somebody who's using shortcut sheet methods, you're making all your units by cutting strips. So cutting strips of a panel across the width like this is going to give you a lot of really interesting color combinations in your half square, quarter square, flying geese, or whatever units that you're making. So I hope you found this helpful. Come see us at Quilt Week, kitsbycarla.com, or check us out on our website. Thanks very much.